Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I am your Sakib Chaudhary and you are watching Tech Joy. In this video we are going to talking about a interesting topic, which is a OnePlus Nord N10 5G. It is an upcoming device and it has been rumored and it is going to be released within October month. So let's see the specification of this device. So let's start the video. So guys, OnePlus Nord N10 5G is coming and it has been rumored and we have got lots of leaks. From our resources we can assume that OnePlus Nord N10 5G will look like same as OnePlus Nord, and it is not impressive thing because OnePlus is doing same thing again and again. OnePlus Nord was same look like OnePlus 8 and now OnePlus and Nord N10 5G also coming with same design from our rumored leaked or resources. So we are waiting for the device and we are expecting something great in design section. So our next topics is display section. So in display section we will get 6.49 inches Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, which is impressive, and OnePlus has claimed that OnePlus does not want to sell any of its phones with less than 90Hz refresh rate, which is fantastic news for customers. So OnePlus Nord N10 5G will come with 6.49 inches FHD Plus AMOLED panel with 90Hz display. So it is so exciting. Nord N10 5G will comes with a Snapdragon 690 5G processor, which is a 6 series processor, and it is a 5G processor. So it's great in this budget range. So we are getting 5G capability with a 690 processor. So we are expecting something great. It will comes with quad camera setup. In main camera section we will get 64 megapixel main shooter and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor or micro sensor, so which is a common thing right now. And N10 5G will comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. In battery section you will get 4300 milliampere battery with 18 watt fast charging. It has been rumored. From our resources it will comes in end of the year. So it is expected that it will comes with out of the box Android 11 and Oxygen OS. So OnePlus Nord N10 5G expected price is 300 to 400 USD. So I am 100% sure that it will be under 400 USD, and we are eager to see OnePlus introduce a cheaper handset with US market and after the Nord launched in Europe and India. While some users may want the hardware jam-packed into the Nord, a cheaper model could do very well. 5G look like a given, but lots of other parts may be getting downgraded in return for a price drop. That includes the 18-watt charger and 6 series Snapdragon CPU, but OnePlus may also make trade-offs regarding the camera display too. The trick for the OnePlus Nord N10 5G will be the not cut to many corners so that it can stand out versus the Pixel 4a and iPhone SE. So stay tuned with us for more leaks and rumors, and if you guys like this video, please like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe because you will get all kinds of rumors and leaks, news and many quality tech videos. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.